But today we're going to have some fun creating some AI assistants of ourselves, and I'm going to show you how I've done mine. Hello, and thanks for reaching out to Housa Creative. Woo-wee! Housa Creative here.
Yo, Housa Creative here. Thanks for reaching out for your project.
It's me, Housa Creative. Thanks for reaching out for your project.
So that was my Mario Brother assistant that I created using AI. And if you thought that was funny, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to teach you how you can make an AI assistant of your own. My name's Ryan with Housa Creates, and for the past 10 years, I've been a professional graphic artist and designer. And over the past year, I have been incorporating AI tech into my creative workflow. Now, I've been absolutely obsessed with the emergence of AI assistants coming into our everyday lives, especially how we communicate. Now, imagine an incoming call and you have the ability to tap AI assistant to answer the call. This thing talks like you, sounds like you, even looks like you if you were to be in a face call or a Zoom meeting. Now, Apple has already touched on this and they're calling it digital personas, and they touched on it in their worldwide developer conference just recently. But why wait for Apple or spend $4,000 on their goggles? I'm going to show you how to do this for free. So let's get into it. Now, if you haven't seen my face swapping tutorial video, it's going to make this a lot more fun. So go ahead and pause this video, go to the link in the description, and I'm going to meet you back here. All right, so the web app that we are going to be using for this tutorial is going to be d-id.com. You're going to go ahead and click into that. All right, so once you're in d-id.com, you're going to notice you only have a certain number of credits, so use them wisely. I've been using them to create little videos for AI assistants to handle incoming random requests or new projects in a fun, entertaining way. So the first step you're going to do is add that face swapper image that you went ahead and created. Mine is going to be a Jimi Hendrix-esque version of myself. You're going to see two options that you have to enter your audio. You can go ahead and type out a script and you'll get an AI generated voice, or you can go ahead and do what I'm going to do, and that's upload our own audio. Boom. Has to be less than 15 megabytes still. Are you fucking kidding me? But once this is uploaded, we're going to hit generated video and we're going to roll that beautiful final footage. Let's check it out. Hey, if you think this is cool, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I hope you have fun creating your own AI assistants. And in my opinion, the more ridiculous, the better. Catch you next time.